Hello everyone, this is Dr. Jyoti Yadav. Currently, I am practicing at Lady Hardinge Medical College and Associated Hospital, New Delhi. Today, I am going to give you a brief about the psoriasis. Psoriasis is a chronic inflammatory disorder which usually involves skin, nails, and the joints. And it has been seen that in nearly one third of the patient, disease usually starts itself in early childhood. There can be involvement of the scalp, the outer aspect of the upper limbs and the lower limbs, especially the elbows and the knees. However, in the few patients, there can be exclusive involvements of the palms, soles, genitalia, and the flexures itself as well. In the joints, commonly the DIP, distal interphalangeal joint, can be involved, and other large joints can also be involved. Next question comes that what causes the psoriasis in any given patient? It is a complex interplay of the genetic as well as environmental factors. In genetic, we got to know about so many genes, and the environmental factors, we need to know about these because these are the one which we can prevent. Alcohol, smoking, infections like streptococcal, a little sore throat, stress, winters, and drugs like antihypertensive, lithium, painkillers, and trauma. Any form of trauma like physical trauma, surgical trauma, or the chemical trauma can cause the eruption of similar kind of the lesion at the trauma site itself. Recent literature says now psoriasis is just not the skin disease. It is a disease which is skin deep because it has been seen that in psoriasis patient there can be more of the comorbidities which actually occurs, like they can be overweight, obese, hypertensive, diabetic, they can have lipid dysregulation, they can get cardiovascular accidents and stroke more as compared to general population. Next is what you should expect when you are visiting a doctor for the psoriasis. Usually the diagnosis is clinical, but in case of any confusion or to rule out other differential diagnosis, your doctor would like to perform a skin biopsy. And especially in the adult psoriasis patient, we do get body mass index of the patient, waist circumference, fasting blood sugar, the lipid profile of the patient, and sometimes for the treatment purpose of the starting the patient of the oral medication, we get complete blood count, liver function test, kidney function test, hepatitis B, hepatitis C, and the HIV testing as well. Coming to the treatment part, there are certain general measures which a patient of psoriasis need to take. First, you should be knowing that there can be winter aggravation of your condition. Second, avoid alcohol, smoking. Thirdly, do a proper stress management exercises. Fourthly, do aerobic exercise at least for the 40 to 45 minutes if you are overweight or obese. Fifthly, if you are known to have taken certain drugs which are aggravate psoriasis, then consult your doctor to change your drugs or start you on any other alternative drugs. Sixthly, used emolliently very nicely, especially in the Indian settings. We ask our patient to use coconut oil and the Vaseline at least in 1:1 dilution 2 to 3 times in a day. It actually soothes and supples your skin. You can take antihistaminics like cetirizine, loratadine, desloratadine just for the itching purpose. Coming to the specific management, according to your condition, like how much body surface area you are having, what is your PASI score, what is your DLQI, your doctor can start you just on the topical management sometimes, oral, or sometimes the advanced treatment like biologicals can be started. In topical management, topical steroids, retinoids, vitamin D analogs, and coal tar, dietinols are available treatment options. In oral medication, methotrexate, cyclosporin, apremilast, acetaminophen, and the fumaric acid tablets are available. And in the biologicals, we are having a long list of agents. Along with that, new agents are coming. Lastly, I want to talk about the precaution that a psoriasis patient should be taking. First, never stop your treatment yourself abruptly because it can cause a dreaded complication which is known as pustular psoriasis. Like if patient stop topical steroid on their own, they can land into the pustular psoriasis. Secondly, do not start your treatment on your own. If suppose your doctor have started you on methotrexate this time and you get the psoriasis in the next winter cycle, you should not start yourself on methotrexate yourself because this is a drug which can cause many side effects like liver toxicity, bone marrow toxicity, so it need to be started by a expert only. Thirdly, if you are a reproductive age patient and you are planning for conceiving a child, do consult your doctor that what or medication you can take. Thank you.
To book an appointment with a cosmetologist or a dermatologist in your area, please visit www.skinandhairacademy.in.